I know that, like in Sway, the window manager that I'm right at the moment using Sway, as you can see, Sway window manager can like lxappearance technically doesn't work. Like I can change my theme, obviously that's not a problem, but if I apply the theme, then just open up my file manager if I can type correctly. Here it is, my file manager, where it is. Yeah, the theme didn't change. It's still the same theme, and I properly even after I properly apply theme, nothing just works. Okay, same case. If I want to change the cursors, can I apply? No, it doesn't work. Same case for the icon thing. It will never just work. Like same icon thing. Did it change? No. It did. It probably changed, but that's a bit weird. But like for the rest of the other stuff, like the icon theme changes, but the application theme doesn't change. The cursors doesn't change. That's a problematic thing. Why this happens? Okay, let me show. If I go to my sway config, well, the main reason is that it's the GTK theme isn't persistent. Like the settings, when you set the settings, it isn't persistent. You have to run a command. This is the thing, you always have to run this command here whenever you start up a sway window manager to set the theme properly. And what you need to do, just copy paste this theme here, and then you need to do is the first line here, you need to set your theme. In my case, I want this theme Tokyo Night, but if I want relay, I want to use this theme, I just have to type the name of the theme, then restart sway. Okay, restart sway and find now. Okay, it didn't change. What happened? Okay, I need to restart sway again. Something happened. Whatever. Let's open up my file manager, and you will find out that the theme actually has been changed. That's great. That's great. This is how you change actually the themes. Okay, understandable. That's how I actually technically change the theme. Same thing with the icons. Let's suppose I don't like this icon theme. I want to use Adwaita. Adwaita is not the best, but as you see, I have changed my icon. The color theme didn't change though because I misspelled here. But if I correct it, reload sway. It's a bit slow today, but you see, it just changed live. Same with the cursors. The name of the cursor depends. In the case, it's called Captain Cursors, but the actual name is this. How we can find that? Well, you need to go to your GTK3 this folder, then open up your GTK3 settings.ini, and here's the cursor name, theme name. Obviously, first let's apply this cursor which I want to use. Now it's going to be written the cursor name, which I have changed to here, and just copy paste this. You can also set the cursor size. Let's suppose you want to make 48. Let's do this. It's now gonna be bigger after it reloads. It's gonna be much more bigger than what it was before. It might not affect all applications, like there's like this kind of problem, but if I reopen it up again, yeah, the theme size is still kinda isn't consistent. This happens sometimes about the themes because of file called X resources. Here I take this. Why doesn't work? It doesn't read this file. Sometimes this happens. This is a problem, but most of the time everything just works. Like I can change the font. It just works. Okay, I remember why it didn't work, because the Casa theme 48, it works for the bar. If I change it for the bar, 48 is correct, but to apply the same Casa size for the applications, here change from here 48. Now let's do this. the cursor size should increase for the new applications. And if I open up the lxappearance, you see the cursor size is big. So that's how you change, guys, the color scheme in Sway.